Clean energy. What is it? Clean energy is an energy production system that excludes any pollution or management through which we dispose of all hazardous waste for our planet. Clean energies are, then, those that don't generate waste. Types of clean energy. Wind. Production of electricity thanks to the force of the winds. Solar. It is based on the use of solar rays. Sunlight can be converted into electricity using photovoltaic cells, devices that are activated by the sun's rays. Hydraulics. Energy obtained from the use of kinetic and potential energies coming from the water. Geothermal. It is one that is obtained from the natural heat inside the earth. Maremotive. It is the one that is obtained thanks to the tides that occur in the sea. Countries that occupy clean energy. Norway, Sweden, Latvia are the main nations that generate renewable energy, according to the REN21 organization. Norway is the main country that generates renewable energy, despite being considered one of the most important nations in Europe and the world. Renewable energies in the Nordic country make up 65.5% of the power generation capacity, revealed the latest study by the REN21 organization. One of Norway's advances in renewable energy is the supply of biofuel for airplanes at airports. Sweden is the second country that bets more on the generation of renewable energies, since they represent 52% of its total energy production. The Swedish government is one of the most used natural heating of low consumption. This type of energy is generated through bioheat panels that guarantee natural heating thanks to its advanced technology. Latvia is one of the main countries that generates and uses renewable energy in the world, according to REN21. This country opted for solid biomass, which is a way to provide heating in the environment and heat the water. Solid biomass includes all types of dry plant material, such as materials from plants. REN21 showed that renewable energies make up approximately 27.7% of the world's power generation capacity at the end of 2014. This organization pointed out that renewable energy continued to grow in 2014 against the context of increasing global energy consumption and a dramatic decline in oil prices during the second half of the year. The institution acknowledged that the final global energy consumption has increased by 1.5% annually in recent years, mainly driven by the increase in demand in countries. The 5 countries that generate more renewable energy: Norway, 65.50%, Sweden, 52%, Latvia, 37%, Finland, 37%, Costa Rica, 33%. Mexico. In the state of Michoacán, the Azufre 3 geothermal plant is under construction, which is expected to be completed by the end of the year. Also, in that state began the activities of the Mexican Center for Innovation in Geothermal Energy of the Michoacana University of San Nicolás Hidalgo. According to CENER, the estimated potential of this energy source in the country in the long term is 9 GW. Regarding solar energy, the Aura Solar 1 photovoltaic plant, considered the largest in Latin America, will be inaugurated in recent days in Baja California Sur, which will benefit the municipality of La Paz. The power generation capacity is 82 gigawatt-hours per year and had an investment of $100 million. The Gauss Energia company will be in charge of developing the project and will have an exclusive purchase contract with the CFE. This plant will allow the reduction in the use of fossil fuels. As for wind energy, the Los Altos Park was inaugurated in Jalisco in February, which is the tallest in Latin America, built 500 meters above sea level. This park has a capacity of 50.4 megawatts that will benefit 10 municipalities in the state of Jalisco. Benefits. The benefits that clean energy can bring us are: they do not pollute. Since these energies don't emit pollution gases or these are minimal, this indicates that they don't contribute to the effect of climate change or global warming, which is the main problem today. Don't produce residues. A clear example of this is the solar and wind energy that don't produce these. Don't cause chemical reaction, since these alone produce energy of their own nature. Are renewable. Most of the energies are renewable. This indicates that their use is unlimited and inexhaustible. Reduce contamination. The use of this will benefit the city since it will greatly reduce pollution or the well-known smog. The disadvantages of clean energy. Implementation is scarce. So, the main difficulty that clean energy has to overcome is its own implementation and the development of sufficient infrastructure. Change in animal behavior. On the other hand, some facilities such as wind turbines or hydroelectric plants can cause change in the migratory behavior of birds and fish. Dependence on fossil fuels. For these reasons, betting on clean energy can slow economic growth in relation to dependence on fossil fuels and can face consumer resistance. Insecurity. As for this point, we have to focus on nuclear energy that causes certain safety uncertainties. The problem of waste disposal remains unsolved. Price increase. Biofuels are currently produced from cereals, sugarcane, and other plants, a phenomenon that has caused an increase in food prices.